What's up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So today in the house, we have the latest OnePlus 15. And yes guys, it's a review unit sent by OnePlus. And today we are also allowed to share the photo samples which we clicked directly from OnePlus 15. Though we are not allowed to pass the judgment, but yes, you guys can take a look at all the photos which I clicked using my OnePlus 15 in all the modes available on that device. You guys check out the photos and let us know in the comment section below what you guys have to say about the picture quality. Currently we are only allowed to share the photos, not the video part. But if you guys have any kind of questions, you can also ask us in the comment section below. I'll try to answer everything if it's not under embargo. By the way guys, now OnePlus is no more partnered with Hasselblad. Now they have this new DetailMax Engine, which is a new in-house imaging system developed by OnePlus, which is also designed to provide clear, realistic photos, focusing on capturing depth and details without over-beautification, especially for the zoomed-in shots. I won't be talking about the specifications and all. Just for your clarification, the device comes with triple 50 megapixel setup at rear. And now you can check out the photos. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. And do not forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below.